Yo, what's up, everybody? We're out here at the Clean Culture Orlando Showdown. We've been out here for a minute. I actually already drove and everything, and just stopped raining. So we're gonna walk around. My car broke already, so I got to try to fix that. I guess the alternator or something went out. I'm not 100%, but we're out here. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna look at some cars and see what we can get in today. Hopefully, I can get the car fixed because it's starting to dry up now. But either way, Mickey's out here. He's gonna let me drive his car.
What's going on, dude?
Right?
I'm on fire. Look at my neck.
But I'll figure it out. If I gotta go to AutoZone and buy an alternator or something, I'm going to. So let's walk around and see what they got. And when I get back to the pits, I'll kind of check in a little bit more. It's hectic, so bear with me, but we're just gonna chill. We're just chilling. So R34 S15. R34 S15. All day?
No, it's not an all day. It depends on what fucking S14 is. Because your S14 was fucking gorgeous.
Well, this is a S15.
No, but that didn't look like yours. Your S14 was gorgeous.
Yeah, this is a 15. I had a 14.
Yours was just...
It was good. It looks good. It looks good. I like S15s just because I know I can't ever afford one. So.
You can't get the fuck out of here.
But R34 too. Look at this thing.
That thing shits and gets, boy.
Yeah.
Shits and gets, boy.
This is almost the same color as my car too.
Close.
It
But
is.
that Mercedes real close. I think that's a wrap. No, it's not. That's paint.
Well, that might be the same.
Hey, did you see the way they did the carbon hood too? Like
Yeah. Yeah, that's the new thing now. They're putting pearls over just carbon. A lot of people are. I love those. NSX.
What?
Lexi, look at that thing. I love those.
You have to pay to get in there.
Tokyo Drift Spec.
I'll try that.
We're making our way. Damn. You got an intake for my intake. El Chapo. See, that's what we need. That's a perfect grocery getter. Four-door R34, dude. This?
No, wow.
I love MK4.
Oh my god. Could you imagine? Hey, what the fuck is that?
That's like a FRS or a
No, I'm talking about
VRZ.
this.
Oh, it's like a rally thing. It's like a turbine for the brakes or something. Oh, look at this. All right, so we got back to the car, and I believe it was losing power the last like couple runs I did when it was wet out, and then towards the end it was just not doing anything, and I turned the car off here and it wouldn't start back up. So it was 0 voltage. So I got it on the jumper cables, letting it charge. The terminals were loose, so I tightened everything down. I hope that fixes it and I'm good to go. If not, I'm going to try to source an alternator and get someone to bring it to me, put an alternator on it and get back out. This thing's going on until 8, so we still have plenty of time. I really want to drive more, so hopefully this works.
Hey guys, Future Chris coming at you. I was actually proof watching this video before I uploaded, and it looks like I made a mistake and I uploaded multiples of the same clips, and I actually thought I did, so I went back and checked, and all of these clips are original, so I didn't upload multiples, but my goal behind this entire event was just consistency. I was working on my line over and over and over again, and I think I got it dialed. I got to the point where I was stacking lines just on top of one another, which was my goal, so I guess that's really cool. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I reply to every comment in the comment section below. So if you're interested in following this journey, make sure you subscribe. See ya.
So of course, I've been having trouble filming all day because I have no one to do it. And my buddy was doing it for me, and as soon as he walks back to the truck, I fucking clipped a, what is that? Like a fake K-rail?
I guess.
It's like a plastic K-rail and exploded in 5 million pieces. Fucked up the E36. Got it, broke the tail light, got it right under the quarter. Over is okay, but I'm just gonna take the bumper off and keep running it, dude. I'm getting pretty close to that. I should probably calm down a little bit. Right?
Yeah.
I think they charge you for them here. I only took one out, right? I need to know my budget.
I think so.
Now I gotta find a tool to take it off.
Oh, God.
There you go. That works. Added to the other parts that have flown off today. my God, what a chaotic, hectic day. I have no idea what got filmed and what didn't, and hopefully there was enough film to make a decent video. But we're all loaded up on the trailer now. There's only a couple cars here. There's like 5 or 6 cars left, and it's still early, but seat time's crazy, lap after lap after lap. I still have plenty of tires. We didn't even go through that. I went through 4 tires. I brought 8. And I hot lapped for probably a 20-minute session straight, back to back to back. So this thing kind of took a beating a little bit. Got into like one of those plastic K-rail things like this, and it exploded. I was getting super close to it all day on entry. Hopefully there's some videos of it. And getting ballsy, trying to test the limits towards the end. I didn't crack my over, but it like chipped it. But I got into the quarter again. I fixed this here before. If you guys remember when I first got the car, this was the same way. I pulled it out and I did it again. Tail light cracked, but it's all good. And then obviously removed the bumper because it was dangling. Every single piece of molding and side skirt on this car fell off in some way, shape, or form today. It was hectic, super hectic day. Alternator issues, which we actually, I don't even know if I filmed that. We had alternator issues and it wasn't charging at all. So I hot swapped my truck battery with the E36 and went back out and it fixed itself. So I'm not asking any questions at all. I'm not even gonna say anything. I am just gonna let it be. But it just started ticking. I checked the oil. I did oil change yesterday and I checked the oil and it was good, but I heard it tick. So hopefully it is an exhaust leak or something, but I'll have to get Justin to come take a look at it and make sure that the engine's not hurt before we do the turbo. If it is, we'll have to figure out what we're gonna do from there. But I'm gonna get the hell out of here before it gets super hectic. And had a great time. Huge shout out to Clean Culture. Nick from Clean Culture invited me out. It was great. I filmed a little bit up front. It's just, these shows are absolutely insane. If you've ever been to one, you know how crazy it gets. So I am surprised I got to film what I did. Had a great time though. Huge shout out to him. I appreciate it. And I'm gonna get out of here and go get something to eat. Haven't eaten all day and I'm starving. So I'll catch all of you guys on the Fruit Beef Out. See you. I just got home. You guys have to see this poor thing. Freaking pulling it off the trailer, ripped the freaking bumper off, ran it over. This poor thing. What a day. But yeah, so bumper and garbage. This thing ripped. This thing looks like it went through an apocalypse. So yeah, but all right, good night.